everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to unbox and review RUSSLE HOBBS induction cooker. So here I am going to unbox it. I'll just quickly remove this from the box and I'll take the induction out. So what's the best part? I like all of you to know that the best part is you can use all types of utensils in this induction. There are several types of induction available in the market, but what's wrong with those inductions is that they only support a particular type of utensils. So for example, they should be induction based or they should have a flat base. So in that case you have to either buy those utensils or you just have to work with all those few utensils you have. So what is the plus point with this is that you can use all types of utensils, and here you can see these precautions are also mentioned here because it gets really hot. You have these multiple options, and this has a glass top. So yes, with these glass tops comes these prints, so it can get easily dirty. You also have this 3-pin plug charger. So where was I? I was saying that you can easily clean it also because it has this glass top, it has this metal back, and here is this fan for cooling system and all these things are here. Now let us check it. We'll just quickly check how this works. So I'm going to plug it in. I'll switch it on and let's have a look of what it does. So here you can see all those lights. You can on it from here and you can use multiple options. You just have to use these functions, and then you can use these 8 cooking modes, different cooking modes. You can increase and decrease the temperature, whatever suits you. It has many options. Also you can set these timer, you can lock this touch screen because sometimes you have kids around, so you don't have to worry about that. Also if you're not around, you can set the timer, so for that it is really good. Apart from that, it is a bit like off because it gets really hot. So let's just place this pan here. As you can see, it has started to work very quickly and it gets this reddish coil-like texture inside this glass. It is where the heat comes from. So I guess that's all, and it's really amazing. Let us know in the comments what you think about this, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.